Hey everyone, welcome back. I am going to do a quick unboxing here of a Vegancuts beauty box. Normally I would have been back this week with a Misfits Market unboxing, but my delivery was delayed by a day, and by the time I got it we're in the middle of such a cold snap that everything inside froze solid. So, no vegetables this week, and I'm going to forego it next week as well just because we'll still be in the cold snap. So instead we'll take a look at this beauty box I received as a gift from work. The first item out is a CBD hemp charcoal face mask. I love face masks, so I'm really looking forward to that. Next up, we have a little bit of this spray. It's a moisturizing spray for your face, and my skin has been so dry that I am ready to try this, let me tell you. I also have a nice base coat. It's 100% vegan with tea tree oil, biotin, and it's gluten-free as well. I've also got some little sample size packages. One is a cleanser and one is the anti-aging facial oil. You'll see the other one at the bottom of the box here. And the last item is a super big Derma E hydrating night cream with hyaluronic acid. I've heard good things about hyaluronic acid, so I'm definitely looking forward to trying this. So that was just a little quickie unboxing. I've got another one to do in a couple days as well. I also did not get a blue box today. I tried for one, and with the new Google Pay, it just locked up, and by the time I got through it, it's like your card is empty. And I was like, wah, wah. So we'll try again next week. I may grab something from Shop Goodwill in the meantime. We'll see. Other than that, I'll see you next time. Thanks for stopping by and have a great night.